Gloria liked to wear food on her face. Not good food.
Hello. A gross dog just licked my face. No, that's how it goes here.
CJ, where are you going? We're supposed to play here.
What's happening in Chicago? Tell me everything. Go away. Are you guys going out?
I see the horsey.
No, don't go in there. CJ, stop!
Whoa, boy! Whoa!
From the way he was breathing, I knew Ethan was scared.
I don't know. I feel like...
What are you doing?
Hey, well, let me call you back.
CJ just got in with Lioness.
Hey, come here.
She could have been hurt, Gloria. Bailey saved her.
Let me get this straight. It's one of those hero dogs you see on TV.
Its name is Bailey.
I love when my boy Ethan says my name.
Go inside.
I know what you did, boss dog. Come on.
I don't know where Gloria found this baby, but it is a great addition.
CJ's smart and curious. We just have to keep an eye on her.
Why, I turned my back for 2 seconds.
More like 2 years.
CJ. Come on, CJ.
No.
Clarity. Oh, Clarity June.
Na 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 na.
Hey, Mama's here now. You say Mama?
Na 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 na.
All right. Oh, Clarity June. That is not funny.
It's kind of funny.
Why doesn't anyone ever wipe food on my face? After all the excitement of the day, I had to cool off in the big water bowl.
Hey,
I know what that is.
you having fun yet?
Grandpa. Oh, I leave her with you for a couple hours, and you have Clarity bathing with a filthy dog?
Finally, Gloria wants to play.
They're just playing.
All right, get out. Get out, dog.
We're just having fun.
You know what? Don't worry, honey. Mommy's here. Come on, it's okay.
Oh, I get what you want me to do. Yeah!
Oh! This is why I don't like dogs.
Maybe you wanted to stick your nose in my butt?